Center yourself and dive within as we prepare for this wonderful flow, during which we will experiment with arm balances and flowing around our mat in a mandala, honoring all 4 directions. From this place of peace and centeredness, draw both hands in Anjali Mudra up to your forehead. Breathe in deeply and exhale, let it go. Inhale, let them flow down to your heart, shoulders relaxed. And exhale, then further descend down to your navel center and lower belly, your hara. Breathe in deeply here, taking in the energy, and exhale, let go. Slowly roll down vertebrae by vertebrae and come onto your back. One hand on your lower belly, the other hand on your lower back. Start with pelvic tilts to activate Uddiyana Bandha. Flow here back and forth to gently awaken your spine and to pulse. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your feet firmly grounded.